You filming it?
I'm filming.
Whee!
Is it a 12?
Yeah, it's just covered in so much rust it made it fit a 13. Oh no.
And that snapped.
I'm scared, man. It's gonna be so loud.
Yeah. So? It's gonna be fucking loud.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see, the Corrado is already up on jack stands. And today, I should probably actually go get it. I've got something quite exciting. And this is a DECAT pipe, or catalytic converter bypass. I got this from Heritage Parts, I believe they're called. So a big shout out to them for giving me a slight discount on it. But this is actually a JetX cat replacement, which is the same system that I've got on it already. So hopefully, it should just go straight in.
Honey, you've got a big storm coming.
I honestly don't know what to expect because, let me grab the camera. The system that's on it already isn't a Miltech system like I once thought, it's a JetX system. So it should hopefully be the same as this, but it's so quiet because it's got the cap there, then a big box there, and then another big box there. I already know that this is probably not going to make it any louder. I'm going to see if it just makes it, if we can get any growls or pops or even anything. But let's start by trying to undo the bolts. So the first bolts that we have to do, there's 3 on the downpipe leading into the cap, and then we've got a bracket there and a bracket there. So 2 brackets which both look pretty fucked. Our first bolt is this one, and I'm guessing it's a 10mm. I don't know if it is. No, it's not 10mm. Oh, fucking hell.
Was the way you not had it before fine?
No, because I couldn't get enough grip on it. You filming it?
I'm filming.
Whee!
Was that the last one?
That's the first one.
The first one? Fucking hell, bro.
What, bro? We done one.
We done one.
One at the top and then the other one around this side.
That's a lot.
We got 2 out of the 3 bolts out, and I'm pretty sure these have been in there for 25 years. They are very fucked. And now we got to try and get the last one. And that's only for the manifold, that's only to the downpipe. We got to get the lambda sensor out, and then we got to try to see if the brackets underneath the exhaust are going to come out or if they're going to be cunts. Fun.
Watch out of the exhaust, by the way, it might all of a sudden drop.
The one that's holding up the spanner. Not the spanner, the fucking wrench.
See what happens, right, look over it.
You hit this lambda sensor.
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Fuck off, you cunt. Oh mate, that went all in my eye. Did it actually come off this time or did it snap? I think this one...
Is it a 12?
Yeah, it's just covered in so much rust it made it fit a 13.
Oh, fucking hell. That's why it was rounding.
Yeah. That doesn't sound too good, does it?
Ah.
Oh no.
And that snapped.
But I can saw that. I don't even care. That's so thin and rusty. I can easily saw that off.
Oh, that's a fucking angle that is.
You know what? I don't even give a fuck anymore. Nathan came up with the idea to just smash a screwdriver into it, and it worked. They're celebrating that we fucking got the bracket off. You see that? You see that? We fucking did it!
That is just the epitome of brute force and ignorance, because that fucking cat would not come off.
We were literally about to give up and then it came off. Day 2 of trying to replace the cat in the Corrado.
We got the lambda sensor out.
Oh, you just ruined the big surprise. Last night we finished off by dropping the cat and the lambda sensor was still plugged in, so we just thought fuck it, we'll leave it for the night. So today I popped to Halfords to get some bits needed. I got 2 of their finest clamps, some paste and some new bolts which are in my pocket. Cool. Then we came to the Corrado and decided it will be easier if we just plug from the engine side rather than trying to unscrew it under the car. Nathan managed to get it undone or unplugged. I couldn't work out how. My man is eating a Mao-am at the moment. We tried to undo it here. Tried to do it once. The whole ratchet just slipped and then I said fuck this. I'm taking it to Quick Fit. And Quick Fit, the guy at Quick Fit got it done in about 10 minutes and I slipped him a tenner. Here we go, the cat is out. What is next?
We drop the car and we turn it on and see what it sounds like without the exhaust.
Do you actually want to?
Yeah, why not?
We're probably going to get gassed out.
I don't care.
Okay, we're going to drop the car and turn the car on. Because fucking why not?
Everything is clear. We're good to drop.
Pause the video for just a second. If you haven't already, smash the like button before we do this. I know everyone's going to be interested in it. So even you, Jamie, sitting there at the back who hasn't liked the video yet, I'm talking to you. Press the like button. And also click the link in the description to buy yourself a sticker so that I can finally afford a haircut. Now it's time to start the car up. I'm scared, man. It's going to be so loud.
Yeah. So? I reckon it won't be that loud.
You've seen the size of the boxes on already.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to be loud.
Okay, we're gonna die.
It's going to be fucking loud.
That was ridiculous! Your mum was out here doing this!
It's alright, we're not doing it again. I just had to.
That
sounded sick.
That sounded so true, just leave it like that.
I need some fresh air. Follow me at BWTV. Right, after that I'm a bit sweaty, as you can probably tell. Now, what I gotta do, because this is too short. Luckily, from when I installed the intercooler, or when Dan helped me out with the intercooler on the Golf, I had a bit of pipe left over. So what I'm planning on doing is a tiny bit loose there, but I'm gonna cut it and then like do the cross pattern to see if we can then clamp it on. I've bought exhaust paste as well. It should be okay. If it doesn't work, then I'll buy a proper adapter off eBay and do it. Do this without trying to bend the pipe. Got my little bench on the old rabbit hutch. Buy a sticker and then I can afford to buy a new workbench, please. Thanks. The lambda sensor is going back in. Oh wait, I need exhaust paste, don't I? Is it in?
It's not in right.
What do you mean?
No, it needs to go around this hose. It needs to go around this hose here, because you can't sit on the exhaust, that will fucking melt.
Time to see our results.
Is that rattling?
I think it's leaking. I think it's leaking. Everything you just watched us do we've now fixed, I say fixed, we haven't actually turned it on yet. So long story short, it's about 3 or 4 days later. Ah, we've been through some shit. We've seen shit.
You said shit.
I've seen some shit, man.
What's that?
This is the pipe that didn't fit.
Oh, you're sending it back?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to. So basically, after we fitted that stupid pipe, it leaked, obviously. And then a few days later, we came back, measured it all up again. And then I ordered what I thought would be the right pipe, which was this. They sent the wrong diameter pipe. So I ordered a 2-inch with an expanded cover. So what it should have done, this should have been 2-inch, and this should have fitted over the DECAT. For example, we have the normal cat here, which is 2-inch. So that should slide over that. But it doesn't. That bit is 2-inch, even though on the ad it said that that bit would have been 2-inch with an expanded bit. This is our 4th day working on this, and my genius, with Nathan's help, and Sean's help, even though he didn't turn up today. This is the old exhaust from my Golf 1.8 turbo. This is the resonator, which, if you guys remember, I took off in a really old video. It was probably the worst exhaust video I've ever made. You couldn't tell the difference. The resonator is so small, you literally couldn't tell the difference. So what I figured out was this had a bit which, for example, looked like that, and it had an expanded bit there. I cut the expanded bit off of that because it fit perfectly on there, and it fit perfectly on the other bit of the exhaust. It fitted. It fit after 4 days of trying to work it out. I just couldn't compute in my head. I need 2-inch, or is it 2.25, or is it 2.5? But anyway, I will now show you what I've done. This is now the better bodge job, but it kind of is exactly what I wanted it to do anyway. So there's the DECAT, and then it goes to this pipe with that bit expanded, which you can slightly see, and then that's now on the inside of the rest of the exhaust pipe, which is a bit old. So I'm probably going to get a new system done anyway. We've done so much cutting, like so much cutting.
So much cutting.
That other bit of metal that was off the intercooler got wedged on, and we couldn't get it off. So that's the result of what happened to that. That got pried off. So that's now a memorabilia to remind me to do it fucking properly in the first place. So all that's left to do is take the fucker off axle stands and start it up and see if it leaks, and then compare the sound to see what it sounds like. Right. No. There's 2 things that we're now going to find out. 1, if it's leaking, and 2, if it sounds any different. So, let's go.
I know what you mean. It sounds like it's coming from underneath.
Louder. Is it coming from the back? It's low. Oh.
It smells like chicken.
It sounds like it.
I don't know, it sounds a lot better. That's all I know. But it is, I think the exhaust is rattling on the body of the car. It's just vibrating a bit more.
It sounds more metallic, but it sounds like a good metallic.
Right, we got there in the end, after that brief panic of what the fuck is going on. After it had been running for a while, it was purring over a bit smoother, and it sounds smooth. I'm not taking it out for a drive yet. I'm going to be doing that probably in the next video. So when we've Oh no, I can't. I've done this like the wrong way around because I started filming the air filter video and then I unboxed this in that video, and then I ended up just doing this and fucking the air filter off because I wanted to get the DECAT on. So we got the DECAT on. So I've decided that this video will be going up first, and that the next video, I'm going to go on a drive in the next video with the air filter and the DECAT, because that will make a nice video. A nice end to the air filter install. All I've got to do is install the air filter, so touch wood, it's not as difficult as doing the DECAT was. We're going to go for a drive next time. Subscribe for more videos on the Corrado and the VR6, because you're going to want to see the next video. Sorry that this video has been a fucking mess. Actually no, I'm not sorry, because if you like the video, you like me, and you like us,
Bodge job,
then you've enjoyed this video. So smash a like if you enjoyed the video. Go follow Nathan as well, his @ will be up here. Big thanks to him for helping out. Ding, 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 ding.
Oh, right there.
This video's gone on way too long. Let's just end it. Bye. No.